Good evening, everyone. Today we are talking about technology, ban and boon. Hi Pallavi.
Hi.
You know, today's life period is only information technology, and we are very uses in our life.
Yes, you are correct. Technology is helpful, but it also cause many problems in our life because of technology, and we face
Yes.
lot of problems because of the technology also.
Yes, sir. That time is term and condition every sectors available. you know.
Every sectors have terms and conditions
Yes,
like
yes,
this.
yes, yes.
So here also.
Yes, you know, our country is very improved because of technology and yes, industrialization and globalization. Very useful our India's super power country in all words.
Yes, but I want to say something. Industrialization is increases, and the machines and the powerful machines are useful for in the industry. But because of this, it reduces employment also. Because of there is a lot work depend on the machine, and they reduce their employment because of the
Yes,
machine
yes,
work,
yes, but
and that effect on the such people who are working in that field.
yes, yes.
So that they face the problems because of this.
Yes, yes. Some people is educated.
That's a big point, because our
Yes, yes.
India is not
Yes.
now developing, but not developed almost.
Yes, yes. India,
So there are 50 to 60% people who are in who are poor, or in they are in rural area.
yes, our India is already increase in education levels. You know, our farmer is developing because of technology.
Yes, but there is a disadvantage also, and health issues are most important point, because we know that we aware from our health care always, and because of
Yes.
social or any not social media, but any technology of this,
But
we work like just work from home or sit on the chair, and never went anywhere. Because of this, our physical activity is less.
But Rupali, you listen, you notice every time we are unhealthy and weak. So that time we call emergency and take our health care.
But because of this, we are getting unhealthy, and this because
Not
of
only
technology.
not only reason in technology, information technology. Reason
No,
in,
not
yeah,
information technology, but other all things with that we have we are comfortable in that zone, and we never out from that zone because of this.
Positive effects of improved technology, communication, connectivity and communication, and improve the technology is banking,
Yes,
online banking sector. And
But there
Yes,
are fraud
yes.
cases. We also heard that the fraud cases in the.
I already tell you, you have term and condition.
Yes,
Also learn it.
but everyone never
sector-
know about
which
that.
sector is not problem?
Who are not
Which sector?
educated? Who are not educated people? They never know about the that information technology, right?
You know,
Who are
every person is know on mobile, on Android mobile. Every person is use mobile.
Yes, yes.
And they are already uses this type work.
improving agriculture.
Yes, agriculture, but it affect on the
E-learning education definitely develop our student. You know,
but their health issues are increased because of this.
no matter just one.
And other disadvantages I want to add, that our communication in our family, that effect on our relationship also, because we have less communication in family, and more communication on social media. So because of that, it impacts on our family relations,
Yes, yes.
and in every family relation.
You know, all words living in internet, under internet. So definitely is every person and every industries, farmer, education, and I think everyone uses information technology and increase their future and work.
But because of the technology world or social media which is adding this, so people are not socially attached with people, because whenever there is one accident happens anywhere, so they can use to take pictures or video for that. Instead to help them, we used to take video or that. And because of this,
but every person is out of any foreign, living out of any foreign, and meet video calls wise, and so video calls meet and just meet the same, I think.
Yes, I told that we long distance is decreased, but
yes.
short distance is increased because of this. That is all. Thank you.
Do you fear to get engaged in conversations? Afraid of stage? Due to this, losing big career opportunities? Then we are here for you. Oxbridge Spoken English Academy. Feel the fluent speaking, basic grammar, spoken English, stage courage, personality development. Then hurry up. What are you waiting for? Oxbridge, your search for spoken English training ends here.